friends, and welcome you all in this online course of Metrology and Quality Control. I am Mr. R.S. Patil, Assistant Professor, Matusri College of Engineering and Research Center, Nashik, from Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss the subject Metrology and Quality Control for TE Mechanical student, and today's our session number 3. So in session number 2 we discuss about the various types of geometric forms like straightness, flatness, roundness, cylindricity, circularity. So these are the very important forms, and how the forms are measured with the help of the various devices. We can say that it is a spirit level indicator or autocollimeter or straight edge method. So these are the various content of last session. Today we are going to discuss the unit number 1, measurement, standard and design of the gauges, in which today's topic is design of the gauges, tolerances, limit and fits, Taylor principle, types of the gauges, and last one is today we are conclude with wear allowances on gauges. So let's start today's session. So the first parameter which arises, and that is nothing but the interchangeable manufacturing, or we can say that interchangeable manufactures. So what is mean by the interchangeable manufacture? As the name indicates that interchange. Whenever we are going to produce the different parts in the industry, there are the two types of the part is there. Okay, so first part is called as a male part and second part is called as a female parts. So both parts are coincide with each other by using the or certain assembly of that two part will takes place. So whenever we produce at a certain tolerance, male part as well as the female part, then and then that two part will met, otherwise it is a difficult to the mating of that part, and that is nothing but our interchangeable principle. So in interchangeable manufacturing processes, it implies that the part that are for practical purpose identical. Practical purpose identical means that two part will meet each other during the assembly process. They are made to specification by process that ensure that they are so nearly identical that they will fit into the any device of the same type. So if you manufacture the various types of the bottles and the cap of the bottles and remaining part is the same, then if the bottle is lost, then that cap will be fitted to the another bottle. Means what? It is called as the interchangeable principle. So according to that, it is a user friendly, and for the mass production it is a very important concept. So we can say that there are the certain example of the interchangeable manufacture. So the first one is as we discussed earlier, bottle cap. In bottle cap we can observe that we are going to manufacture the bottle cap in mass production, thousand of or lakh of the bottle cap is there, but when we pick up the any one cap and insert into the bottle, then it will be the fitted easily. Similarly the rim and tire, according to the rim and tire dimension, the tire will be the fitted on the rim easily due to the interchangeable manufacture principle. Now the next concept, what are the advantage for interchangeable manufacture? So the first advantage is a replacement. One such part can freely replace another